people ask is simple. Who has the right of way? Understanding priority rules is extremely important for safe driving. These rules help prevent accidents and allow traffic to move smoothly and safely. In this video, you will learn the complete guide to right-of-way rules, including intersections, roundabouts, pedestrian crossings, and special traffic situations. If you are preparing for your driving theory test or simply want to become a more confident driver, this lesson will help you understand exactly who has priority in different situations. Let's begin.
Right-of-way refers to the legal right of a driver, cyclist, or pedestrian to move first in traffic. These rules exist to organize traffic and reduce confusion at intersections. Without right-of-way rules, drivers would not know when to stop or when to continue. In many situations, road signs and traffic signals determine who has priority. However, there are also situations where drivers must rely on general traffic rules. That is why understanding these principles is very important for every driver. An uncontrolled intersection is a crossing where there are no traffic lights or stop signs. In this situation, drivers must follow the general right-of-way rule. The most common rule is the rule of giving priority to the vehicle on the right. This means that if another vehicle is approaching from your right side, that vehicle has the right-of-way. You must slow down and allow that vehicle to pass first. This rule helps prevent confusion and keeps traffic moving safely. Drivers should always approach uncontrolled intersections with caution and be prepared to stop if necessary. A stop sign is one of the most important traffic signs related to priority. When drivers reach a stop sign, they must come to a complete stop. This means the vehicle must stop fully before the stop line or before entering the intersection. After stopping, drivers must check for traffic from all directions. Vehicles already on the main road have priority. Drivers must only proceed when the road is clear and safe. Failing to stop at a stop sign can lead to serious accidents. The yield sign indicates that drivers must give priority to other vehicles. Unlike a stop sign, drivers do not always need to stop completely. However, they must slow down and be prepared to stop if another vehicle is approaching. If traffic is coming from another direction, drivers must wait until it is safe to enter the intersection. Yield signs are commonly used where smaller roads join larger roads. Roundabouts are circular intersections designed to improve traffic flow and reduce accidents. In most countries, vehicles already inside the roundabout have priority. Drivers entering the roundabout must slow down and yield to traffic already circulating. Before entering, drivers should look to the left and check for approaching vehicles. Once the road is clear, they may safely enter the roundabout. Drivers must also use their indicators when exiting to inform other road users of their intentions. Pedestrian safety is one of the most important priorities in traffic rules. At marked pedestrian crossings, pedestrians have the right-of-way. Drivers must slow down and stop to allow pedestrians to cross safely, even when there is no marked crossing. Drivers should always be careful when pedestrians are near the road. Protecting pedestrians is a fundamental responsibility of every driver.
Emergency vehicles such as ambulances, fire trucks, and police cars have priority when responding to emergencies. These vehicles usually use flashing lights and sirens to alert other drivers. When drivers see or hear an emergency vehicle approaching, they must move aside and allow it to pass. This rule allows emergency services to reach their destinations as quickly as possible.
Traffic lights control the movement of vehicles at many intersections. A green light means drivers may proceed if the intersection is clear. A yellow light warns drivers to prepare to stop. A red light means drivers must stop completely. Drivers must always follow traffic signals, even if they believe they have priority. There are several special situations where drivers must pay extra attention to priority rules. For example, vehicles leaving parking areas must give priority to traffic already on the road. Drivers entering a highway must give priority to vehicles already traveling on that highway. Vehicles making a left turn usually must give priority to vehicles coming from the opposite direction.
Understanding these situations helps drivers avoid dangerous misunderstandings on the road. Many driving test candidates fail because they misunderstand right-of-way rules. One common mistake is assuming that being on a larger road always gives priority. Another mistake is not checking for pedestrians before moving. Some drivers also forget that vehicles already inside a roundabout have priority. Avoiding these mistakes requires careful observation and a clear understanding of traffic rules. Understanding right-of-way rules is essential for every driver. These rules help organize traffic and prevent accidents. When drivers know who has priority, they can make safer decisions on the road. Always approach intersections carefully, observe traffic signs, and respect pedestrians and other road users. By following these simple principles, you will become a safer and more confident driver. Thank you for watching and keep learning.